Our ingredients for our Mediterranean style grilled cheese sandwiches, we're starting off with sourdough bread. We have whole milk ricotta cheese, some chopped spinach, mozzarella cheese, some sun-dried tomato pesto. I love this stuff. We have some butter, some oil, some salt, and pepper. First thing that we're going to do is put a little bit of oil and butter on the grill, melt it, and then toast the bread on one side. Now, one of the things I like about this recipe so far, we haven't actually made this one before, but one of the things I like about it is easy to put as much or as little of the ingredients as you want.
We're just going to toast it on the first side.
We have this lovely toasted piece of sourdough. It's only toasted on one side, and we're going to grill the outside of it a little bit. So the first thing we're going to do is put on some of our ricotta cheese. I'm going to sprinkle this with a little bit of salt. I actually like to do it on my hand so I can kind of see how much I'm putting on there. And a little bit of pepper. Or a lot of bit of pepper. And some chopped spinach. And we're going to top that with some shredded mozzarella. Now we're going to take a second piece of toasted sourdough, and on what's going to be the top of our bread, we're going to put on some sun-dried tomato pesto. I have recently discovered this, and I do love, love, love this flavor. Now, what I like about this over just sun-dried tomatoes is that it's already kind of diced, because it's more like a topping, and so you don't have to chew through the sun-dried tomatoes. Also, it has the pesto basil flavor, which I truly love as well. Okay, let's put this slice on top of this one, and this one is ready to go back to the griddle with some more butter and a little bit of oil.
So that look.
That was great.
This one's not really ready yet. Yeah, that was great.
It does look delicious, right?
That's really good.
Success?
Yeah, that is just really, really good. Awesome.
Thanks for joining us. Come back and join us again next time.